Alright, so this is the SodaStream. I can't remember what it's called. There's one of these in here already. It comes with 2 of those. 3 of the bottles here. And this crap. This soda is hideous. It's absolutely disgusting. There's different ways to make it. We tried the cola from SodaStream. We tried the root beer from SodaStream. And we tried the ginger ale from SodaStream. You can see things like this, 50% less sugar, but it's not diet. Everything here tastes like the diet of diet. It is absolutely hideous. We went ahead and we got this. It's a little bit better. We grabbed another one. This is okay, but still, even when you use a very good, clean, purified water system and everything, it's just disgusting. It's unedible. It's a waste of money because we cannot return it. But I definitely do not recommend this product for sodas. Other sparkling waters with things like this, that's fine. You're never going to really save money off of it because buying that's so cheap. But I do not recommend. Also, there are so many small details you don't know about unless you look into it. Like this O2 cylinders. If you have one of a different quality, it's going to make your soda taste bad. It is so complicated to make a good soda with this that once you perfect it, if you're someone with taste buds like me, it is going to be hideous. But I do not recommend. Now, the older stuff with great reviews, you're going to see great reviews on the root beer and their sodas. That's because a few years ago, they used to have different standards. Those standards have changed for them to save money, and now everything tastes hideous. So I've used all sorts of different methods, waters, everything to come up with something that was just at least slightly palatable, but nothing is. It's really gross. Honestly, I only recommend this to boomers.